Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Moffett. Guys, this video is going to be about how I was able to reduce my car insurance using a site called Gabi, which is run by Experian by I think about $700 or $800. What's going on is I got some unexpected expenses I didn't realize. So about a week ago I sat down and tried to come up with all the ways I could save money, and in one day I came up with 3 ways I could save a total of about $1,400. Last week I made a video on how I that day figured out how to get free internet or save $30 a month off of my internet expenses. And this week's video is how I saved money using Experian or Gabi, Gabi.com. I had used online services before trying to find lower car insurance because I have a very old car. I've got a Toyota a Toyota Corolla 1994. It's only worth about maybe $1,600, $1,800. It's got a nice paint job and I keep it well maintained, but it's not really worth much if it was to be damaged. So whenever I get higher and higher car insurance, I try to find ways to save money. Like one time I took the online course. It was a safe driving course, lowered my fee by 100. And I've contacted the insurance companies, done everything I could to try and lower my car insurance. I do it monthly, every 6 months. Last month, when they raised it, I asked them over the phone if there was something I could do, and they said no. I've taken advantage of everything. And then I went online and used some of these services that try to lower their car insurance, and they never could help me. So last month I got a bill from Geico. It was going to be $1,600. That's about what my car's worth. So I said, I've got to try again. So I went to a site called Gabi and I filled out all the information, and they gave me a quote of $53 a month, which is amazing. Here's my spreadsheet. Geico is going to charge me a year $1,587.80, or 6 months $793. The online service from Gabi said it was going to be $53 a month, which comes to 900 and about $636. So that's just incredible. That's a saving of almost $1,000. So I said I'll take it. And the very next day I got a call from the insurance company. Said because I signed up for something or I changed something on my insurance, my deductible, that they couldn't give it to me for $53. It was like $77 or $73. And I thought to myself, well, that's still not $53, but still it's a lot less than what Geico is doing. So we talked some more, and these are the liability and the coverages I have. With Geico, it was with 10,000, 20,000 liability was $230. With the Safeco, it was 25,000, 50,000 liability. It was $215, so that was less. The property damage liability was 10,000. I got 25,000 with Safeco. It was $123 for Geico, $76 for Safeco. PIP was $180 for Geico, $65 for Safeco. Uninsured motorists, $10,000, $20,000 stacked, and it was $172 for Geico. It was $25,000, $50,000 for Safeco. It was $87. Comprehensive, I dropped it. It was a $500 deductible, and I knew if I had an accident, they would say, well, it's totaled, and they would not pay me but a few $100s, and they would keep the car. And because that's what they do. If they total the car, you don't get to keep it. Or it's sometimes they won't let you have it. That they did one time let me keep my car when it was totaled, but most of the time they don't do that. So if you get something that you could fix and they're going to give you money, they're going to take the car, so you lose out. So I said I'll drop it. It was only $23 comprehensive and $63 deductible. So that's like $80. So $160 for the year. So it's not a big savings. So the total for the monthly would have been $132 for Geico, and by going to Safeco I went to $73. Now it's kind of a bait and switch because I did change the liability on when I was trying to make sure they were the same with Geico when I went to Safeco, and I don't know what I did, but I did change something. But I used their service. I used their website. I'm not a programmer. I didn't do anything. I just used the numbers and the boxes they gave me. And when they were done, I was signed up for $53 a month, and the next day they said, no, that's not right. So I don't know what happened. But anyway, I'm still a lot less than with the Geico. However, when I went to the site, uh, this site, the Gabi site, they gave me a whole list of companies. And one of them was Searchlight Progressive or Progressive Searchlight. And it was almost the same as $53. So I could have probably not gone with Safeco and tried to do the $53 one at the Searchlight Progressive. When this runs out in 6 months, I'm going to go to Gabi again and try a different one and see if I can't even save more. So if you're trying to save money with your insurance, I think you want to take a shot and use the Gabi. The person I dealt with on over the phone was very pleasant to deal with, and I could understand it perfectly. She wasn't from Albonia, and so if you're trying to save money, first of all, go watch that video I did on how I was able to save $30 a month off my internet, and now I'm saving, let's see, about $702 a year is what I'm saving off of my car insurance. So if this doesn't help you, if you use Gabi, I'm going to make a video next week on 15 other different ways you can save on your car insurance, and hopefully maybe one of them might help. So I hope you like this sort of video, guys. I put on new stuff on my channel every single week. Been doing it for 15 years. Got over 1,100 videos, getting close to 12, and a bunch of playlists on different subjects, on do-it-yourself stuff, cooking and frugal prepper stuff, trying to save money, reviews, comedy videos that nobody watches, or video stories that also nobody watches, and other type of playlists, and a bunch of cool people I feature on my channel. No relation to me, they would not anyway, and Florida fishing. So guys, you never know what you're going to find because you never know what I'm going to put on, but lately it's how to save money because right now we're all in the same boat. We're trying to cut corners and save, and I think I came up with about $1,400 in savings by just focusing that Saturday on different things I could cut, and I haven't finished. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these videos because I think they're going to be helpful to you guys. All right, guys, I'm rambling here. Take care. See you out there.